Hey traders! Over the past couple of weeks, the crypto market has been quietly building momentum, and now with Bitcoin crossing $77,000, things are starting to get exciting. If you've been following along, you already know how much focus I put into sharing clear, practical insights. And if my work has been helpful to you, I'd really appreciate you considering joining the membership. It helps me keep doing what I do, bringing you quality crypto content, reliable market analysis, and setups you can actually use. For members, I've added some powerful features. Members' choice charts, you decide what we analyze. Live chart access, stay ahead of the market in real time. There's also a tester plan for just $10, and you can request custom charts whenever you need them. This market phase has a lot of potential, and it'd be great to have you back with us as we navigate it together. Thanks for your support. It truly means a lot. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.